Hi! Viva Santo Niño! Reverend Father Gilberto Fortunato II, Sidumlo po. Father Guido, Father Gilbert, kung ano man ang tinatawag sila sa akin. Batch 93 ng Santo Niño Parochial School. Ako rin po ang parish priest ng Holy Family Parish dito po sa Roxas District. Before, diyan po ako nakasign sa atin sa Santo Niño. And ako rin po ang vocation director ng Diocese of Cubao. I can't forget really our church because nagbago na ang lahat. Ang dami na pong nadagdag sa school, pero yung simbahan, doon po kami lagi pumupunta. Nasanay kaming pumasok sa simbahan. Kasi bago ka pumasok, lalo na po kaming panghapon, naghihintay po kami ng mga pang-umaga. So sa simbahan po muna kami. Although naging waiting shed po yung simbahan for us, pero it opened an experience for us to be more comfortable inside the house of God. I am already a priest for 15 years. Without me knowing it, it was my first formation before the seminary na masanay ka sa loob ng simbahan. Yung pala, kasi aalagaan mo rin ang simbahan. Doon kasi rin nagsimula yung mga tanong kung bakit may ganito, kung bakit kailangan tahimik, kung bakit si Father, bakit pinapagalitan kami pag maingay, yung pala. Magiging pare din pala ako. Pero para yung si Monsignor Reyes, siya po yung nag-form sa amin before. As a priest, I really learned the value of wisdom. It's not bragging, but wisdom means your knowledge is being purified by your reflection of what God sees through you. So I believe yun yung value na imbibe ko sa ating school, to be wise. Not only learning or putting in knowledge, but using this many informations that you have so that you can proclaim the good news. And that is beautiful, and that is why indeed Santo Niño is our help and our savior. Our dear parents, some of my classmates are already parents, so I have convinced them. But to those who are still asking, please do enroll your sons and daughters to our beloved alma mater. Not only will they learn, but they will be formed wisely through the wisdom of our dear Santo Niño, help and Savior. So, muli, maraming salamat po. And ito po ang aking kwento. Kayo, anong kwento ninyo? Viva!